Hi guys, Sandra here from Create in Spain, and I'm doing this dedicated video on my nail lamp that I use for making my polymer stamps. It is a UV LED lamp. This is it. It comes with a basic timer which I completely ignore. I just use the on-off switch because I use separate digital timers. Now, this lamp came with the standard U-shaped UV lamps. I took them out. I've got them stuffed in the basement somewhere because I'm no longer using that traditional type of lamp. I have these, and I normally have 4 in, but as you can see I've taken one of them out so you can get a better look at it. These lamps are UV LED lamps, and I use them facing out, not in. You cannot use these facing in unless you are really keen on wasting lots of gel, because the curing time is so fast. Unless you're very quick and very accurate, you're going to over cure your gel very easily. Okay, so that is the actual housing. You need it to be as big as you can get it, but other than that, the housing is just somewhere for the bulbs to reside. These are the bulbs that I'm using, and they are 365 plus a 405 nm, 9 watts each. The important thing is they are LED UVs, not the normal sort. And the other important thing is this rotates. If this does not rotate, you may not be able to use it in your lamp because you may not be able to move it to face the outside. Okay, that's it. I cannot tell you where to get them. I got them from Amazon. You can get them on eBay, you can get them on Amazon, you can probably get them on AliExpress and Wish if you look for them. I can't give you specific links for the simple reason those links expire too rapidly. That's it. I'm not going to say anything else about my lamps. I am not going to answer any more questions on my lamp. I've done everything that I can possibly do for that. Take care now. Bye bye.